What if I told you your passion could pay the bills? So many people get stuck at a job they hate while their passions sit on the back burner. If you've ever wished that you could turn what you love into income, this is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more videos on building your dream business. And if you're truly serious about turning your passions into profit, drop passion in the comments. I'd love to hear what excites you. Now, let's get to it. The first step is to identify your passions and your strengths. Start with, what do you love doing? What fires you up? What really just fills your cup when you do it? Start there, write those things down. Another way to look at it is, what do you love to do in your free time? What would you do naturally anyway because you love to? A mentor of mine gave me this example. If I gave you a stage and 30 minutes, what could you talk about nonstop automatically off the top of your head without preparing? That's a really good indicator of something that you're passionate about. Consider the things that people already ask you about. Do friends and family often come to you for help or advice with a specific topic or thing? That's probably something of value that you're really good at. So don't negate that and brush it aside. Take a skills inventory. Write down all the things that you do, your hobbies, your experiences, things you've learned over the years, because chances are you already have a skill that's monetizable. In your skills inventory, make sure to consider your hobbies, your experiences, and your strengths. Write them down and have a list of all the skills that you possess. You'd probably be surprised that you have more than you think you do. Next, you're gonna want to validate your passion as a profitable idea. And how are we gonna do this? You're going to look for demand. Dig around, do a little research. This is where Google's gonna be your best friend. Research and look up if people are already paying for products or services that have to do with your passion. Then try to find gaps in the market. Is there some unique way that you could do or create a product or a service that others are not, that is going to make your project stand out from the competition? That is very valuable. So if other people are already buying and paying for that service or that product, but you can do it in a unique and better way, then you are sitting on a gold mine. Now we're going to test your idea on a small scale. Start by offering a simple offer, whether you do some freelancing or selling a small product, just make a small batch at first and sell it, or offering to do some free work for a friend. This is going to allow you to see if people are interested in your product or your service, but it's also going to allow you to get feedback from that small group. This is often referred to as maybe a beta group, because they're going to give you your feedback so you can change and tweak things, and they're also going to give you your very first testimonials, which are going to be key for launching your business. Now it's time to take action and turn this into a business. Choose the right business model for what it is you're wanting to do. Are you going to offer a service? Are you going to sell products? Are you going to create content for others? Or is it going to be something else? You do have several options, so make sure you narrow down and clarify the way you're going to structure your business model. And as you get started, don't spend too much money. Start with low-cost tools. You can use social media for free advertising. There are free website builders. Use that word of mouth and those testimonials from your beta group that you ran your small test with. You don't need to dump a lot of money in at first. That's where a lot of people get themselves in hot water, and you don't need to. There's all sorts of free and or low cost options to use to really get your business up and running and off the ground without you breaking the bank. And now that you know how to turn your passion into a business, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment. Now that you know how to turn your passions into profit, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what's one passion you would love to turn into income. And don't forget, I have a free side hustle starter kit for you inside my Facebook group, The Empower Collective. Plus, you can register for my Brainstorm Your Business Idea Challenge, where I'll help walk you through more steps to get the clarity you need on the business that you want to start. You can click below in the description to get the link for that. So I hope you found value in today's video. Click the like button and share with me in the comments below your thoughts on this video. And until next time, reemerge and rise, my warriors, because warriors do it better. And we'll see you in the next video.